Okay, so boost fell off again, and we turned our wastegate apart. Now, granted, this is one of those old cheap wastegates, but you can see all the material in the inside here. We heard we were doing a data chart on the Holly in there, a strip chart, because it lost boost again, and basically it just couldn't keep up. Boost was just falling off, and so this thing was just loose in there. So the little set screw come out. So now we're gonna put this wastegate back together. We need to spray this out with brake clean. Spray it out real good.
Let me get this pushed down.
Wastegate, I mean, these are just old cheap wastegates. I mean, they work pretty good. There's the fire ring on it, it's still there. Well, there's the fire ring. So this thing, hey, let's pull that other one apart. I've got a spare one, and it's got a nut in the top. Hey, grab, it's in that box up there. And I can't remember, I think I drilled and tapped it, but it had a nut growing in, so we may change the valves. I mean, that's the thing about, cheap wastegates. So that's the thing about these cheap wastegates is sometimes you can just, I'm gonna buy me a couple extra ones, but sometimes you can just rebuild them here on site.
You ain't gonna be the first one. Hey, the first one grabs from the bottom.
That's a good idea.
Is that the buy? God, Lord. And that last one in there.
No, you didn't. Did you?
There's the last one in there. I had no choice.
Oh, shit. God, come on, man.
Better fill that tank way up. You meet me later. I might open the door.
I can't believe I got a buy. Look, I got borrowed stuff. I got his CO2.
Oh, good deal. Well, I ain't got to worry about something new right now. That's a good thing.
Oh, yeah.
Three. Oh, hey,
Okay, good. It's gonna be well. Just holler at her over the mic. Right?
Look at what is it? I didn't see it call. What is it? It ain't hot, Joe.
Bye, baby. Bye. I got the buy. I'll take it. All right, here we go. Rolling up for first round. We got the buy, which is very needed for us at this moment since we've been fighting issues all day. I mean, the car went down a minute ago, but it made it to target boost at like 3 seconds in the run, and then it started dumping dome pressure. It was trying to apply it, but it was leaking, so it couldn't come up. So the diaphragm was messed up, so it dropped boost. It still run a decent pass, but not fast enough. But luckily we got the buy, so we're going to go out there now and see if we can make this thing go down under that boost curve that we got.
My 10 to your 5 that you don't draw the bar here.
If I draw it, I can't keep it anyway.
That's right.
I got the bite. I'm just kidding.
So the bar goes back in. You draw the 5 down to the left.
Yeah, you got the same one.
I got 2 in my hand.
All right. Who's got our number 1 chip? Step forward, please. Step forward, please. Oh, McKinney, in the Blanco car. This is going to be a good one.
What you got?
Little red.
Little Mustang.
Good deal. That's a good one.
289, 3 feet on the top. Number 2 chip, bring him up.
Too what? Too right.
That on different
Yeah, Russell Miller gets the ball. Bring him up to the lanes.
Whenever y'all ready, bring him up.
Quickly to the lanes so we get this round in, please. You're already up there. I saw you up there. Bring him up there.
I got a streetcar.
Russell got the bite. The one that's with Russell. All right, we got the right lane. Congratulations on your bye, sir. All right, guys, here we go. Rolling up for second round. These guys have a Mustang. We got the nice blower car over here. This is with Russell and them. They're teammates. I got his CO2 bottle in my car, so that's awesome. Some good racing, some good sportsmanship. They let me borrow their CO2 tank. And then Russell's got the buy. He's back there in the back. They're not going to make him take the tree, which is awesome. I mean, there's no need. It's a buy, so there's no need. He's got the buy. It doesn't matter. All it is a waste of time and energy. So 4 cars. We're waiting on 1 Mustang, and then we're going up for second round. Let's see what happens. Guys, here we go. We are in the semi-finals. Red Mustang over there. He's got the bye this time. I had the bye first round. Russell had the bye second or third round. So that's who we got to race this time. He is the one, good dude. We raced with him. He won Piedmont last time. I'm borrowing his CO2 bottle. So that's the true sportsmanship. I mean, that's just how we roll, you know. That's how most racers are. Really good dude. I really appreciate Russell letting me borrow his CO2 bottle. And we're in the semis, so we're going to go down there. And we did, you know, it was a super close race in the last race, and that was his buddy that we had to race. That was a blower car, and it was super fast. I had to grab the scramble on him. I couldn't even tell who won, and so it was moving around a little bit, but it took the scramble. So what we did is I increased the boost ramp to what the scramble was, because Russell was making some licks. This little thing, it's a beautiful Mazda RX-7. It's got a small block Chevrolet, 2 little baby turbos in it. It's like 70 millimeter turbos, and then it's got mechanical injection. So it is like legit, like old school mechanical injection, super fast. This is gonna be this is an awesome car. It's always fun racing from Virginia. Russell, you gonna take it easy on me this time?
Yes, sir.
You got lane choice. Did you pick which lane yet?
Yeah, I think we're going to go ahead and take the left.
You're gonna go ahead and take left. Are you sure you want the left lane? Are you positive?
Are you sure you want to keep using that bomber?
Okay, I'm gonna have to take that right lane. All right, be careful. Be safe. Good luck. We're gonna have fun.
I like the Mazda.
On small tire final, Russell Milner in the right-hand lane, Tony McKinney out of Ohio, left side.
Tony McKinney with a win.
All right, guys. Well, that wraps it up from Darlington Dragway for Steve Logan, Lance, and Travis for their no prep race. Man, we had a blast. We ended up with 9 cars. We got down to 3 cars. I wish it would have run a little bit better. I got put out by Russell, but his car is fast, so he deserved to win. It was a little sketchy down there for me. We took off about the same time. He out 60-footed me. I grabbed the scramble button. When I grabbed the scramble button, the car started moving around a little bit, and I was having to drive it. I honestly thought I had finally overdrove it, and I was fixing to get in the wall, but luckily the parachute come out and it straightened it back up and it saved it. I ended up lifting at like 4.4 seconds into the run. He was gone. I wasn't catching him, no way, and I was heading straight toward the wall. So all that just told me to get out of it and hopefully not crash. I thought I'd done it. I thought we were about to get some racing stripes on the side. But y'all comment, like, and subscribe. We'll be racing in Randy's car. We'll be back out here at Darlington Dragway again. We'll be back out here for Bear Fest, and that's a radial prep race, and we will be out here with Randy's car. Friday night, Saturday night, if y'all are close by, y'all come by. We'll be out here. We're going to be kicking it. Big Jake's throwing this race. It's always a great time, a lot of fast cars. We'll see y'all soon. We'll go fast and get some win lights. We got a couple today. Later, guys.